Hey, my name is Massimo Capoccia. I'm a Senior Vice President for Infor OS. Today I really want to talk about what Infor OS is so that you get familiar with this great platform. The Infor OS stands for Infor Operating Service, and it's really the platform to run our cloud suite. So let me talk through the three major points about the value of Infor OS. The first one is productivity. So user productivity and user experience at Infor is very important. It's a key differentiator. That's why we have actually an agency called Look and Loop, where we define the user experience right from the beginning. And using now Coleman AI, we can even proactively advise what's the best next action. So the second point I want to talk to you about Infor OS is the seamless integration that we provide between Infor applications and even third-party applications. With Infor OS, what you can do, you can plug in any Infor application at any type of business process and connect them seamless in any type of cloud suites. It can work on premises, it can work in the cloud, but it can also work in a hybrid fashion. So you can have an ERP on-premise and like a CRM or an enterprise asset management in the cloud, and that works all seamless. With the integration, we also are able to route all your information in a secure data lake so that you can connect our burst analytics or do enterprise search, or even our new Coleman AI, where you can collect some data sets, run through machine learning, and provide APIs and feedback to applications or services. So the third piece I want to talk about is automation. So AI is the perfect platform to automate and run things in the background for end users. So take the example of invoice matching. If there is a difference, there is always manual intervention how to match those invoices. Think about self-learning workflow, where you approve expenses for your people, and now Coleman can learn that behavior, how you look at the expenses, and now Coleman can do that in the background. And by the way, for us, trusting AI is very, very important. So we give you the transparency, how Coleman has made the decisions to that, so that you can take a look at that and say, wow, okay, this is really good, and I'm trusting Coleman, and I want Coleman actually to do more background work for me so that I can focus on the real work in my daily job. Infor OS is the cloud platform that brings user productivity, business process management, and Coleman AI all together for you. If you want to have more information, please visit infor.com.